What makes ostriches the speedy giants of the bird world? Let's take a closer look at these incredible flightless birds. Ostriches are the largest birds on Earth, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing over 300 pounds. But despite their size, they're incredibly fast runners, reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. But did you know? Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal, measuring nearly 2 inches in diameter, perfect for spotting predators from afar. And those powerful legs? They can kick with enough force to protect themselves from danger, making them one of the most dangerous birds to mess with. So, the next time you see an ostrich, remember, they may not fly, but they can outrun just about anything on land. Like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.